Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In this video, you will learn how to raise a purchase requisition manually in SAP. Purchase requisition or PR is one of the most commonly used documents in SAP MM and is required before creating a purchase order. A purchase requisition or PR is an internal request to procure material or services. It is an internal document and remains within the organization. It answers the three basic questions: what material is required, how much quantity is required, by when it is required. PR is usually created by planning team, stores team, production or maintenance team, or any end user who has the required authorization to procure the material. PR can be created in two ways: automatically by MRP and manually by the user. Automatically by MRP is usually for the materials which are having the bill of materials. The manual PR is created when we have the urgent requirement for the non-stock material, for the service procurement, or one-time requirement. So let's see directly in the system how to create the PR manually. To create the PR manually, we have the transaction ME51N. The ME51N is to create the PR, ME52N is to change the PR, and ME53N is to display the PR. So now I will put the material, I will put the quantity, the plant, the storage location, the purchasing group, and the delivery date which I want. Even if you don't enter the delivery date, the system can automatically fetch the delivery date based on the lead time which you have defined in the material master. Now I will enter the price and check for any errors. So we have no errors. The system has issued no messages issued during the check. Now I will directly save. In this way, the purchase requisition is created with the following number. To check the purchase requisition, I will go in the transaction code ME53N. Here I will input the number for which I want to check the PR. So we can find the details of that particular purchase requisition. To check for the whole list, we can go with the transaction ME5A. Here you can enter the various parameters for which you want to search. Now I will just put the plant and the material for which I want to check the purchase requisition. Here you can find there are three purchase requisitions created for that particular combination. In this way, we have learned how to create the PR, how to display the PR with the help of the purchasing document, and how to check the PR list with the help of ME5A transaction. In this way, we have come to the end of our video. Please like and subscribe our channel for more such videos. Thank you.